Well, the rain and wind are gone, but the flooding and damage remain. Clarksville and Montgomery County have declared a state of emergency just within the last hour, working to recover from the weekend storms. Welcome to News 2 at 5, and good evening. I'm Bob Mueller. Some residents were forced to evacuate over the weekend as waters rose quickly in their homes. News 2's Nikki McGee spoke with one family who returned home for the first time today.
For the first time since early Sunday morning, this family and their dog Shadow are able to return home. Brian Riviera recalls going to bed Saturday night and waking up in shock.
I was up at 2 in the morning. I looked outside the window. There was no water. We woke up. My mom woke me up like at 7 or 8. The water's in our driveway.
Sandbags now line homes in the Farmington neighborhood, while others' garages sit open. Brian says his neighbors didn't leave them open, but believe pressure from the water forced them open. These are the things they quickly grabbed in a panic, not sure when they'd be able to return.
Emotional roller coaster. That's what I can say. Anxiety for my mother, stress, friends, lost homes.
One of the moments that sticks with him is seeing a neighbor reportedly swim through floodwaters to grab important documents. They recall him getting back to safety, coming out of the waters shivering.
Crazy. I don't know. It's really sad.
They did measurements.
I saw multiple neighbors crying. I mean, it was really sad.
Although Brian and his family are able to return home now that they have power, their driveway remains blocked with water. And for their neighbors, it's a different story.
But never like this. Like the backyard was definitely like filled up like a pool, but never all the way up to their house.
Brian and his family believe that water pumping led to floodwaters rising so quickly. News 2 spoke with Clarksville and Army Corps of Engineer officials, which say they don't do pumping in that area. A spokeswoman with Montgomery County was checking to see if the county conducted any pumping and added that their assessments are ongoing. In Montgomery County, Nikki McGee, News 2.